everyone, welcome back to my class. If you are new here, karibu sana. Ninaitwa Mwalimu Patricia. So today we are going to learn about basic subject prefixes and personal pronouns. Basic subject prefixes and personal pronouns. So let's start with basic subject prefixes. So the subject prefixes represent the verbs subject, the person or a thing that is doing an action. The subject prefixes represent the verb subject, the person or thing that is doing an action. So, the Swahili personal pronouns are as follows. So these are the Swahili personal pronouns. These are the Swahili personal pronouns. I decided to divide these Swahili personal pronouns into groups, in two groups, singular group and plural group, so that you can understand, okay? So let's start with singular group. The first person is Mimi. Mimi. Mimi in English means I, Mimi. So this is the first person of the Swahili personal pronoun, which is Mimi, Mimi, which is I in English. And the second person is Wewe, 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 which is you. Okay, you. So the second personal pronoun is Wewe, Wewe. And the third person is Yeye, Yeye, which is he or she in English. So let's repeat again. The Swahili personal pronoun in singular, we have the first one is Mimi, Mimi, okay? And the second is Wewe, which is you, Wewe. And the third part is Yeye, which is he or she. Are we together? Okay, so this is singular part. Let's look at the plural part. So in plural part, we have Mimi in plural is Sisi, 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 okay? So Sisi, which is we in English. So Mimi, which is I, in plural is Sisi, which is we, okay? And the second personal pronoun in plural form is Ninyi, Ninyi in plural form. But in singular, we have Wewe, Wewe, which is you. And in plural, we have Ninyi, Ninyi, which is you all. Ninyi, Ninyi, okay? And the third person is Wao in plural form. Wao, which is they. And in singular, we have seen is Yeye, Yeye. And in plural is Wao. So the singular of the plural of Mimi is Sisi. Mimi, Sisi. I, we, okay? Mimi, Sisi in plural. Wewe, Ninyi in plural. You all, Ninyi. And the third part is Yeye in plural is Wao. He or she, and in plural is they. Okay? So Mimi in singular and plural is Sisi. Mimi, Sisi. Mimi, Sisi in plural. And the second is Wewe, and in plural is Ninyi. Ninyi, okay? And the third part is Yeye, and in plural is Wao. Yeye, Wao, okay? So, each personal pronoun has its own subject prefix. So each personal pronoun has its own subject prefix. So let's see the subject prefix of each personal pronoun, okay? So the first person is Mimi, as we already seen here, Mimi, but the subject prefix of personal pronoun Mimi is ni. Okay? Ni. And the subject prefix of personal pronoun Wewe is u. U. And the subject prefix of personal pronoun Yeye is a. A. Okay? Let's repeat again. So, the subject prefix of personal pronoun Mimi is ni. Mimi is ni. I will show you some examples after I finish here, okay? So, Mimi, the subject prefix of personal pronoun Mimi is ni. And the subject prefix of personal pronoun Wewe is u. U. And the subject prefix of personal pronoun Yeye is a. A. Okay? So this is in singular form. So let's look at the plural form. The subject prefix of personal pronoun Sisi is tu. Tu. And the subject prefix of personal pronoun Ninyi is m. M. And the subject prefix of personal pronoun Wao is wa. Wa. Okay? Are we together? So this is the singular form and this is the plural form. The singular form of Mimi, the plural form of Mimi is Sisi, and the plural form of Wewe is Ninyi, and the plural form of Yeye is Wao. So, but each personal pronoun has its own subject prefix. So these are the subject prefix of each personal pronoun. So we are going to use these subject prefix and personal pronoun in some sentences that I'm going to show you after this part, okay? So mimi ninafundisha Kiswahili. That means in English is I'm teaching Swahili. Mimi ninafundisha Kiswahili. So the subject prefix of the personal pronoun of Mimi is ni. Okay, so the second person is Wewe, and I've said that the subject prefix of Wewe is u. So wewe unatoka wapi? Wewe unatoka wapi? Wewe unatoka wapi? Where do you come from? Wewe unatoka wapi? And the third person is Yeye. And I said the personal pronoun of subject prefix Yeye is a. So Yeye atakuja kesho. Yeye atakuja kesho. He or she will come tomorrow. Yeye atakuja kesho. So this is the singular part of these examples. So the plural parts of these examples are as follows. So the singular of the plural of Mimi is Sisi, and the plural of Ni is two. The plural of Mimi is Sisi, okay? So sisi tunafundisha Kiswahili. Sisi tunafundisha Kiswahili. Mimi ninafundisha Kiswahili. In plural form is sisi tunafundisha Kiswahili. Sisi tunafundisha Kiswahili. We are teaching Swahili. Sisi tunafundisha Kiswahili, okay? And the second part of in plural form, the second part is Ninyi. Ninyi mnatoka wapi? So the subject prefix, the personal pronoun of subject prefix Ninyi is and the personal pronoun of subject prefix Sisi is tu. Okay? So Ninyi, the personal pronoun of subject prefix Ninyi is Ninyi mnatoka wapi? You can't say Ninyi tunatoka wapi. No, but you will say Ninyi mnatoka wapi. We use because this is the personal pronoun of subject prefix Ninyi. Each personal pronoun has its own subject prefix. Okay, so Ninyi, Sisi, tu, and Wao.Wa. So Ninyi mnatoka wapi? This is the plural form of the sentence Wewe unatoka wapi? Wewe unatoka wapi? And the plural form is Ninyi mnatoka wapi? Okay, and the third person is wao. Wao watakuja kesho. Wao watakuja kesho. They will come tomorrow. Yeye atakuja kesho. This is in singular form, but in plural is wao watakuja kesho, which means they will come tomorrow. Yeye atakuja kesho. He or she will come tomorrow. But in plural form is wao watakuja kesho. They will come tomorrow. Okay? Okay, I just want to give you a clear information of how we use these subject prefixes and personal pronoun. Subject prefixes and personal pronoun. Because the subject prefixes, these ones, give a clear indication of who is doing an action, it is not necessary to state the personal pronoun when conjugating a verb. So it is not necessary to state these personal pronouns when conjugating a verb because the subject prefixes, these ones, ni, u, a, tu, wa, give a clear indication of who is doing an action. For example, you can say, ninafundisha Kiswahili without using mimi. Ninafundisha Kiswahili. I am teaching Swahili. Ninafundisha Kiswahili. I am teaching Swahili. So you can say ninafundisha Kiswahili without using mimi, and that is a clear Swahili sentence. Ninafundisha Kiswahili, okay? And also you can say unatoka wapi without using this personal pronoun wewe. You can say unatoka wapi? Unatoka wapi? Where are you from? Unatoka wapi without using wewe. And also you can say atakuja kesho without using yeye. You can just say atakuja kesho, and that is a clear Swahili sentence, which means he or she will come tomorrow. Okay, so it is not necessary to use personal pronouns Mimi, Wewe, Yeye, Sisi, Ninyi, Wao. It is not necessary. Swahili speakers use these personal pronouns when we want to put an emphasis of who is doing an action. For example, if I want to put an emphasis of who is doing an action, I can say Yeye atakuja kesho. I just to give an emphasis who is doing an action. Yeye, that means he or she will come tomorrow. So Yeye atakuja kesho. That I want to put an emphasis of who is doing an action. Yeye atakuja kesho. He or she will come tomorrow. Or you can say wao watakuja kesho. They will come tomorrow. They will come tomorrow. You can just use these personal pronouns when you want to put or to give an emphasis of who is doing an action. Okay, so these are the subject prefixes and personal pronouns and how we use them in making a sentence or in stating a sentence. Okay, thank you so much for today. See you next time, but please remember to subscribe, share this channel and these lessons to your friends who want to learn Swahili language. Asante sana. Kwaheri.